And in Brazil, as far-right former President Jair Bolsonaro's judgment day approaches, all eyes turn to the 5 Supreme Court justices who will rule on his case. Our correspondent Brian Mier has more.
On September 2nd, the first working group of the Brazilian Supreme Court will start its final deliberations in the case against ex-President Jair Bolsonaro and 7 of his cronies for plotting to enact a military coup. The group is made up of 5 justices, and a unanimous decision would be final. Although conviction seems imminent, some people are worried that Justice Luiz Fux will attempt to stall the procedure, as he has done before, buying time for the opposition by pushing it into the new year.
I will reserve myself to analyze this better in the post-hearing phase. If I wish to reserve the right, not the right, it's a power, not the right, a power and a duty, to exercise the power of review. I effectively need to receive the formal complaints so that I can then indeed deeper my understanding of all these questions I have raised here as observations.
In 2016, Fux voted in favor of removing President Dilma Rousseff from office for an infraction she was later ruled innocent of. In 2018, he voted in favor of opening an exception to the Constitution to enable the imprisonment of Lula da Silva. Earlier this month, he was the only justice to vote against house arrest for Jair Bolsonaro. Nevertheless, many legal experts believe that the Bolsonaro ruling will proceed according to schedule.
This is a historical trial. Brazil can make an example of how democracy can resist this type of coup attempt. I believe that the ruling will take place normally. The Brazilian public is carefully accompanying the process. There has been an intense level of press coverage. I don't see any available space for any of the justices in the first working group to make any type of maneuver. Hopes are very high. We all hope that everything proceeds according to the law.
Final deliberations in the Bolsonaro trial are expected to last for 10 days, culminating on September 12th. If ruled guilty, the far-right former president is facing a prison sentence of up to 44 years. Brian Mier, teleSUR, Recife.